This is adding 4 two-digit numbers using base 10 blocks. So I will start with drawing my blocks. That is 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones, then 1 10 and 2 ones, 3 tens and 2 ones, 2 tens and 5 ones. Okay, now we always start with our ones, so I'm going to add those up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I have a group of 10. So I am going to exchange those for a tens rod. Then I'm going to count my ones again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 ones left. I'll put 7 right there. And then remember, I exchanged my 10 and added it right there. So now I'm going to add my tens up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I can take 10 tens and turn those into a big hundreds block. So now I have 2 tens left over and 100, 127.